Asem yidiko, asem yidika.
Inna beka.
Akwasi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano sani atie.
Ye kano sani atie. Ye nstro nyame nstro nipa. Ye do boni di ne be ye adwuma. Ba bia no kreda ne ye nkata so. Ye mfa hu mne kase e maga na nsei. O man chechire ne yodi nti. Eni ya sori obi na afamu de. Pao pani kwa kosoa obi ne ma se na be ya nipa ho betimi ha na ma betimi akwa bantem. Ni otofesi so kwa kwetwetwere. Ni otidwobo kwa kwotwa me nya bi ato. Ni okoto aba so abeton so kwa kope aba. Asebi di kabre na so me di akwasi ensia. Edi kanti ene be kan se ne esimi etie. Enra ebe nyina yegusu edi nkomo ebisa. Ye street light ehifa na wo. Street light levy ya ye twetwe lo mem no ehifa na akwa akodie. Wana egie wana afa ekrom ayesum o drive ya homache kura ehu kampesa nwumere akasa babia onam bia esum hwe TV so krana bosum sa no esie twa street light levy ewo maimu siem fa maintain your street light. Yet TB farmer ECG for the power consumption. Nia can yen fancy street light, yen top balls, yen top posts, NCC away. Chibakwa Maso Akakudi and community doctor Rekodu Osai, a local governance expert. But I make sure the policy framework no ABM. And remember, I will send you a policy framework now drafted in 2011 no now at year. And I'm doing called the operation and maintenance of street light. Sir Namikacho said the policy framework now, Ministry of Energy drafted in 2011. No, and now every street light I won't buy. Now the operation and maintenance of street lights no eka. Or see existing a new street lighting unit shall be maintained by the municipal. As a metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies to a standard that ensures as far as possible their safe, economic, effective, and reliable operation. The basic requirements are: 1, the maintenance of an up-to-date electronic database of all units to ensure the satisfactory management of a maintenance process that meets legal obligations and provides information for the calculation and payment for electricity consumed. Eti ye twesika to mesika ise electricity bill na eba no 3% ekita for street light levy. 3%. And ye say the district assemblies no and na maintain street light per the policy framework. Yeah, Ministry of Energy drafted in 2011. In fact, it was August 2011. 2, maintenance and repair procedures that ensure expeditious response to identified defect. It's a policy framework now. As how can you street light levy no? And what catch say street light ni be what teach ma. I see ade awhare kwan so. Ehwesie man ye adwuma ntem. Ade maye. Enye ne yeko aban. Aban na catch yen. So metropolitan municipal district assemblies. Ya mu Ghana, mu miaya, mu street lights enye adwuma no. Etimu ne momanfo edi ne ye. Ye de ahare kwan so gisika free Ghana ne nchen eto aban fotom o se aban ni se sika na waje ye adwuma na aban twetwene na ase from enura nkomo a ye de ni kire se street light levy no enko to the assemblies from nkomo a ye di from enura behind the scenes no am ye conclude say street light levy no enko. Your funding has budgetary support. Tinano me catch us say 2018-2019 sika Ghana ban enya edi free street light levy mu na ye 273 million Ghana cedis. And this sika Ghana ban enya ye from street light levy. Se sika we nyina ase akwakofa ne se eye budgetary support. Is se be release sika no e dey ama the district assemblies ndia ye adwuma na enti ye twa honto no ene ye tisika so de ye ade foforo. Auditor General Esro foni ko homa ye Ghana for see ehunu eto na because eto we no eye specific. Yes, it's for street light maintenance, repairs, and erection of new ones. Yechio, yes, yechia. And I'm going to say, yes, see in Penfoni Bray, yeah, ETC Manforce, no, yes, Wunchia Kanyaka, ye chum. The sumu. Name Pacho, yes, so ye chian and sway. Ya Mumfama ye. Ye chia, but Mumfama ye. Maybe says yes, yes, so I see a buying any of us, a buying any papa, a buying any mammy. A buy a shagana for comfort. We are paying for something, we are not getting it. We are paying for a service, you deliver from my yay. And let me just strict that that's what. Why? And I buy one day chair mintiana. Why is it happening so? Minister of Finance, why is it happening so? District assemblies, why is it happening so? O friend say, hey, Debbie, you can see, but there's still evidence and here. Make a was hey. Una simon penya nemu or messing one. A man for sika for a certain service. They are not getting it. Ya catch a man for that service, no. Muna provided your momo. Mon responded to why you are not getting the service. He say, Eddie can once him. He said, hey, finance ministry. Why should it be finance ministry? Sa papa ne first kalama moa mo kama manfo hu sa ura kana for the ata sika na ba na gu abafo tom no ye o se atebi and ye street light no ye mfa mamo talk you are there to fight for your people. MMDCs, you are there to fight for your people, to seek for their well-being. Mesi nipa na ntua kaniaka ye dia place for the soldier for esa no chibi nyina akọ court titama for kaniem ana ye tua na ye ni street light. Why? Ona da na kwaku botwe nwacha no pay. Ghanaians need answers. Because per the Ministry of Energy Policy Framework na ye ken kan no pay no me nua me sa beto aso. It tells us say, and your ministry, and your MMDs, you are saying, almost said here to do this work for Ghana, but we are not getting it. Ghana for Persia, why is it happening so? I don't hear Chani and them soon. I don't be to me yabai, but Ghana in the year, you found one bino. Yam bro ni tuo. Yam first soldier for that police for and tata no copy so much electricity bill. Me chewie ya na bada na ansesem. En. So the policy framework. The technical capacities of MMDS shall be developed to ensure sustainable operation and maintenance of street lighting. Hey, bro, for the Ghana for. Tie ahanum ni ye. There is a small maker, some questions and maker. A banana na trade brofu. And they do not cast an brofu no one. Mechanism for street lighting levy. All electricity consumers shall pay a levy. All. So far as Oyusun Kania near bro electricity bill quadie, you shall and you shall You will pay for street light levy, which shall be adequate to be used by the respective MMDAs to pay the full cost of energy consumption and maintenance cost of street lighting. When you're drafted here, we are Ministry of Energy. And you can say, make a and you gonna buy an akasa, and the we tell you, or say we shall pay street lighting levy. And if remember ye CG4, and we maintain street lights, no man, that's why you Juma. And you buy an we tell you, so why are our streets in darkness? I am paying 3% of my energy consumption for street light levy. 3%. And you check it and you make cool. Your electricity bar and the numbers are 200,000, 150,000, or just 3% of this amount for street light levy. Now, the man said, "Two can numera was sacrificed. Are we being fair? Huh? Abai, are we being fair? Let me say, are we being fair to the ordinary Ghanaian? Munchiatua. Yechia, where is the service? Where is the service? Where is the service? Yechia for street light. Where are our street lights? Away. About what share your bow? In fact, now they are two crowds say, "Sikawe na yechianom." It is for this purpose. For this purpose. Opien wo kwa yisi so kwa kotua ne kan yaka. Okwa se be me first street light asenti no. Ye street light of free mo. Ye kan nyina calculate bo me ya kire e ka wo de. Okoto prepaid na 200 Ghana cedis a. Ya te. Ada ne ye de ya from the na ban person be na from de. Honorable Dana Kwakubotwe, Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, your ministries are not being fair to Ghanaians. Your ministries are not being fair to Ghanaians. Your ministries. Muni Ghana phone nini ye. And ahomete. Ya. Setima muni ye dia. Because aban wo tumi na aban wo soja phone na police phone tino. Ye de ombe sao baby obi aba ba yire waje. One na kwa yira ban to ensure say sika na waje de free wonom no wo de yes adwuma no so de kwa kwaye no show TV so ekrompa na enam no ekrompa na yisum ade kam yanka same kwa kra be fast me say from Oponglo traffic light ekwadu kokosi airport eyesim say twom esum say twom hwenyumakuo ye wo sa akwan so Chamanfo nam sa akwane so. Yentwe makase pempem. Enkum nipa. Ni ehye mampani tuntum. Fanentra kaachi koma busua yako ene yepe eyefe. Wa brati mamufuo firi opepem achia woto to ensure say they will get better service from Abain. Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe. Ora Daniel Kwakubotwe. Or some me and Mutimishia ASAP. Namushia finance minister. I say, street lighting levy, no, baby escal will be they should release it. Sikano. Any ECG for them at the moment. Now, assemblies then your uncle. Huh? Because per the power now you're consuming, no, and only a tea, ever ECG. Say you should power went no when you fan ko chia mon kan ya moto ye eka me patani na de aka na yen fama the assemblies because that's can yen kan be bia se yen fan ko school yen kan be bia se yen fan ko ye kwan yo e specific street light mani ma ye den dodo osuma semidika ya dodo
Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Asem yidiko, asem yidika.
In the Becca.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano send yet.
mabam kra yebu mabam yebu the way pen for ye o mem no eya dodo okay semenka enano Archbishop Duncan Williams any power much of Metro TV good evening Ghana etwen komom no can say me some way back 2019 ese the way aban pen for wo abibrem etwitu amanfo no enema ye hu no ne je ne Burkina Faso ne besisi ene ne ye hu no o ka ese wa wo ka no wo de hubua e hya manfo but ne wo ye ne be kwakofa sa na ba ne ye nkana asem how we are treating our own people enye fair enye ahomete e hya komfo. Why do you take my money and refuse to give me the service that you are taking my money for? Are they? You're a minister for energy, you're a minister for local government, you're a finance minister. Why are you doing this? Huh? And I'm going to say, Edo sododo, mo sheni pa konfo, mo sheni pa ene ya, mo di yaudi tu amanfo so. What is so difficult about this? See, I can't say, I told him, say, yeah, this says, can we A, B, C, D? You release it? But did you have questions here? They will come to be air to us. Na the people's forum, so I brought some look as a chief Jerry Force and a pump for a crowd. Our Fiena. On your man for so I could do come on a share, almost how I'm on the name. Yet me aso ane dia mom. But energy minister, local government minister, minister of finance, you are not treating Ghanaians fairly. And it's difficult. It's sad. Mumma amam for bumfu. Mumma amam for bumfu. And I know lawyer Kwame Jankai, the governance of our country are dropping. Because sebi ya bedun pempesu I come say aban embu amanfo. Manfo si nyame admo china ye beto aso.